Dirty frying pan? Try the ice cube remedy. It really works. To remove stubborn grime, place a sheet of absorbent paper in the container. Easy! Using this tip, you can clean even the highest-to-reach areas easily. Wet a dishwasher tablet in hot water. An effective way to remove grime from the oven. Don't know how to reseal the bag? Do this. Using a hanger and a nylon stocking, you will be able to dust even hard-to-reach spots. Wow! An alternative use for a sieve. Much easier to spread. Vaseline is an excellent product for cleaning stainless steel. It will stay shiny for longer. Use it on the stovetop too. When cleaning the stairs, use the broom handle too. Ingenious! To clean the toilet, try using powdered detergent. Grime on the grill can be particularly difficult to remove. Put the grill in a plastic bag. Then, pour this solution inside the bag and leave overnight. The dirt will come off much more easily.